Tom here, FlipAnythingUSA. I'm really excited because I found a new product, and I don't get paid to share this stuff, but I really like this thing. So this is a Victor. It's called a Smart Kill Rat Trap. Now, I've been using these things for years already. Basically, it looks like a mailbox that's open at one end, and you put bait in the end of it. It's electrically charged. Rat walks in, gets electrocuted, kills it, and then you dump it out. Well, the beauty of this new one they've got, and I bought 4 of these now. In fact, this one here is actually going to be a gift for somebody else. But anyways, this is what you basically get is the rat trap, and it just takes, I think, 4 CC batteries, and it's real simple. When you get it, you download the Victor Rat Trap or Rat Kill app on your iPhone. I have an iPhone, and you download that. Push the power button, hold the Wi-Fi button down for about 5 seconds, and then what that allows you to do is that allows you to sync their app. And so what's neat is I bought 4 of these the other day, and I installed 3, right? And so you can see here these are 3 different buildings. This is a building, this is my home actually, and this is the building I'm standing in front of right now. And so I put these in, and back to how easy they are to program. I put these in, and I've been watching them, ever since. It's only been like a day or 2, and because what they do is they alert you when they've killed a rat. So, anyways, back to installation. When you get these, it's real easy. You download the app, you push the Wi-Fi button. It goes to a camera scan, it walks you through it step by step. You scan that little tag right there, and then it gives all the information of this trap to your phone, and then you sync it back up to the wireless that's in the building. So that's what I did. And anyways, it was really neat though, because last night about 2 a.m. I woke up middle of the night and I looked at my phone, and sure enough, I had an alert that I got something in the trap. In fact, let me show you the alert here. Yeah, so I wake up in the middle of the night, and this is what I find right here. There's my traps, and at this one, the building I'm in front of, it says rodent caught, right? So now we're gonna see if it works, and follow me. So I have the trap down here. You can videotape me, son. So I have the trap down here, up under here, where nobody can see it. There's a lot of people around, so we don't want to freak out. But you can see right here. I'll pull it out. So there it is, and ooh, look at that. I can already see a tail. So let's go carefully. There are a lot of women in this building. I don't want them to freak out. But, whoa, my God, this is a big rat. Oh, pretty good size. Not big. So you put the bait in here. This is a little door. And I put a strawberry in there. And look, there's the rat. You can already see his head. And you can see his tail right there. So let's get a look at this thing. But this is what's so cool. It electrocuted this rat to death. And then gave me a notification, and so he's only been dead in there maybe, I don't know, 8-9 hours, that's all. And so the beauty of that is that now I can just simply throw him over. Take a look, son. So that's what happens. Kills him dead. Got him. And now he's gone. In fact, don't want anybody to see him. But so anyways, this thing is cool. I love it, because this is what can happen. If I'd have just put this trap in there and it killed it, and I didn't know, after about a week or a few days, it would start stinking. And so now with this, I get it out of here before it starts decomposing, starts smelling, and there's even other things they can, another rat could start eating it, who knows. But anyways, that's it. So that's the Victor rat trap. That's the smart kill system. And if you got a lot of real estate like I do, it's a must-have. It's absolutely a must-have. So that's it. FlipAnythingUSA. Be sure to share, subscribe, and tell your friends. And thanks for watching. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoy sharing it with you. So be sure to get the app. If you don't have it already, you can get it free on Android or pay $20 to get it on iOS. It'll be the best money you ever spent. It'll take you further along. You'll be able to share and catalog your properties, and it'll just make you a better, more organized investor. Thanks for watching.